This house we love is perfect for anyone wanting to completely escape to the tranquil, mountainous countryside, while still being only about 10 minutes drive to the Campania coast. This 176 square metre home is spread over 3 levels. On the ground floor, there is a large living room with a fireplace, the kitchen and a bathroom. On the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. The huge unfinished attic also gives a new buyer the opportunity to create a unique bonus space. This would make a wonderful art studio or children's playroom. There is also lots of outdoor living space with breathtaking view terraces, a patio and several garden areas. And, as you can see from the photos, this property is move-in ready. Located in the picturesque village of Ogliastro, Cilento, you will find all the services and amenities you need in the stunning seaside town of Agropoli, which is just 7 kilometers away. The vibrant city of Naples and the Amalfi Coast are also just an hour and a half to the north. With an asking price of just €145,000, this could be a wonderful investment. Please see below for the link to the original listing and Realtors' contact details. Also, if you like these videos, you'll love our weekly collections. We're offering a month free on Patreon until December 7th. There is a link in the video notes.